Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a short video talking about the best email marketing software in 2023. Before we start, I'd like to mention that there is a link to a free trial of GetResponse in the description below. So if you just scroll down to the description and click that link, it'll take you to a completely free trial of GetResponse for you to try out. With that said, let's get on with the video. So the first one on our list is GetResponse. GetResponse offers a range of features including email automation, webinars, e-commerce tools, and advanced segmentation. It's a great option for businesses looking for advanced features, affordability, and a user-friendly interface. Our next one, number 2, is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an email marketing platform that focuses on marketing automation and offers advanced features such as conditional content, lead scoring, and CRM integration. It's a great option for businesses looking for advanced marketing automation features and powerful integrations. Number 3 is MailChimp. MailChimp is a popular email marketing platform that offers a wide range of features, including email automation, landing pages, and list management. It's a great option for small businesses and startups that need an affordable and easy-to-use platform. Number 4 is ConvertKit. ConvertKit is an email marketing platform designed for bloggers, content creators, and online businesses that need a simple, user-friendly platform. It's a great option for businesses with a focus on content marketing and lead generation. Number 5 is Aweber. Aweber is a reliable and user-friendly email marketing platform that offers a variety of features, including autoresponders, email newsletters, and landing pages. It's a great option for small businesses and startups that need a reliable and affordable platform. Number 6 is Drip. Drip is an email marketing platform designed for e-commerce businesses that need advanced features such as email automation, segmentation, and personalized product recommendations. It's a great option for businesses looking to improve their e-commerce sales and customer engagement. Number 7 is MailerLite. MailerLite is a user-friendly email marketing platform that offers a range of features, including email automation, landing pages, and list management. It's a great option for small businesses and startups that need an affordable and easy-to-use platform. Ultimately, the best email marketing software for your business will depend on your specific needs and budget. It's important to consider factors such as pricing, features, ease of use, and customer support when choosing an email marketing platform. That wraps up my comparison on the best email marketing softwares in 2023. I hope you liked the video. If you did, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like these. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments section below. And before I end this video, I would like to mention that there's a link in the description below for a software that can rank your website instantly by using videos. This might be very interesting to anyone looking for more traffic and sales to their website. So make sure to check this out if this is something you need. But yeah, thanks. That's the video. I hope to see you in the next one.